In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file an insurance claim, step by step, made easy. If you've been in a car accident, had damage to your home, or experienced another covered loss, filing an insurance claim can feel stressful at first. The good news is that once you understand the process, it becomes much more manageable. The key is to stay calm, stay organized, and take each part one step at a time. The first thing to do is review your insurance policy before you file. You want to confirm that the incident may be covered and understand how your policy works. Pay attention to your deductible, your coverage limits, and any exclusions that might apply. It's also important to check whether your policy has a deadline for reporting the claim, because waiting too long can create complications. Next, document the damage as thoroughly as possible. Take clear photos and videos from multiple angles so there's a strong visual record of what happened. Make a list of any damaged, missing, or destroyed items and gather receipts, invoices, or proof of ownership if you have them. If the situation involves a vehicle accident, theft, or another serious event, get a police report or any other official documentation that applies. The more complete your records are, the easier it can be to support your claim. After that, contact your insurance company as soon as you can. You can usually report the incident through the company's website, mobile app, phone line, or local agent. When you do, provide accurate details about what happened and ask exactly what documents or information you'll need to submit. This helps prevent delays later. Once the claim is open, complete the claim forms carefully, fill in all requested information, attach your supporting documents, photos, and receipts, and make sure everything is as accurate as possible. It's a smart idea to keep copies of everything you submit, including confirmation emails and claim reference numbers, so you have a complete record. From there, you may work with a claims adjuster. This person reviews the damage and helps evaluate the claim. You might be asked follow-up questions or need to schedule an inspection. Be responsive, cooperative, and prepared to provide any additional documents they request. When the review is finished, your insurer will make a decision. If the claim is approved, payment will be based on your policy terms, coverage limits, and deductible. If the claim is denied, or if the settlement amount doesn't seem right, ask for a clear explanation and find out what appeal or review options are available. To keep the process smooth, report the incident quickly. Be honest and accurate. Keep organized records. Don't throw away damaged property unless necessary for safety. And take reasonable steps to prevent further damage if it's safe to do so. Filing an insurance claim doesn't have to be overwhelming. With good documentation, prompt communication, and organized records, you can help the process move forward more smoothly. Since every policy is different, always review your coverage details and contact your insurer if you need clarification.